The Dave app provides users an advance on their paycheck to cover small expenses like gas or groceries. It also offers a spending account that charges no overdraft or low balance fees. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your Dave account. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type Dave and search for it. So here's the Dave app that you're looking for. To download the app, all you have to do is tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. The app might take some time to load. Once loaded, tap on the option Login. Now you'll be asked to enter your phone number. You can also use email instead. To do so, tap right here and then enter the email associated with your Dave account. After that, tap on Next. Then provide the further information required. Finally, you will be able to log into your Dave account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.